Welcome to this module on the Bussmann Type 1 SurgePOD Heavy Duty and SurgePOD Pro Surge Protective Devices. Before we get started, let's look at what we will be covering in this module. By the end of this module, you should be able to understand the need for surge protection, describe the features of the SurgePOD Heavy Duty and Pro, identify the differences between SurgePOD Heavy Duty and Pro, understand the applicable markets, and find additional application and product information. The need for surge protection. Today's world is full of electrical products and electronic devices that are susceptible to damage from overvoltage surges. Whether the cause is static discharge, lightning, or inductive load switching, overvoltage surges can quickly destroy sophisticated electronics used in industrial, commercial, and residential applications. UL508A control panels are vulnerable with their increased reliance on control circuits or power circuits. Destructive overvoltage events can cause damage to industrial equipment, resulting in repair costs and downtime costing manufacturers up to $500,000 an hour. Surge protective devices help protect equipment against these types of overvoltage events. Let's get to know the Bussmann Type 1 SurgePOD SPD line. Type 1 UL1449 3rd edition listed product offering, which can be installed on the line side or load side of the service entrance overcurrent protective device in the electrical system. Meets NEC 2011 UL96A and UL508A SPD installation requirements. Covers virtually all UL applications and helps prevent equipment failures, reducing downtime and enhancing safety. And it has high SCCR ratings of 200 kA and maximum discharge current rating of up to 50 kA, exceeding many application requirements. Bussmann offers two Type 1 surge protective devices. SurgePOD Heavy Duty, UL-listed Type 1 and CSA-certified surge protective devices for critical commercial and industrial applications. SurgePOD Pro, UL-listed Type 1 surge protective devices for light commercial and residential applications. Both products offer rich features and benefits. Type 1 UL1449 3rd edition listed. SurgePOD Heavy Duty and Pro are both Type 1 UL1449 3rd edition listed, allowing installation anywhere in the electrical system, load side or line side of the service entrance overcurrent protective device, meeting NEC installation guidelines. Compact UV-resistant NEMA 4X enclosure. The compact UV-resistant NEMA 4X enclosure can be applied in both indoor or outdoor application for protection against weather elements. Easy ID local visual indication. The bicolor Easy ID LED indicator provides SPD status at a glance. Green for good, red for replace. Backwards compatible. Type 1 SurgePOD Heavy Duty and Pro can be installed in any application requiring UL Type 1, 2, or 3 surge protective devices. Voltage-specific SPD models. Bussmann offers voltage-specific SPD models which allow users to precisely match and protect electrical systems and equipment better than one-size-fits-all SPDs. Color-coded terminal leads. The color-coded terminal leads provide easy identification for proper installation per NEC guidelines. Now let's take a closer look at differentiating features that are specific to SurgePOD Heavy Duty and SurgePOD Pro. Let's begin with the SurgePOD Heavy Duty. Nominal discharge current rating of 20 kA. Offering a nominal discharge current rating of 20 kA, SurgePOD Heavy Duty provides ultimate surge protection, making it ideal for many applications, including UL96A lightning protection systems. Voltage configurations from 120 volts to 600 volts. SurgePOD Heavy Duty offers solutions for virtually all North American voltage configurations, from 120 volts to 600 volts for single-phase, split-phase, delta, and Y systems, allowing users to precisely match a SPD to their specific system, providing better equipment protection. 5-year warranty. SurgePOD Heavy Duty offers a robust 5-year warranty for commercial and industrial applications. Let's take a look at SurgePOD Pro. Nominal discharge current rating of 10 kA. SurgePOD Pro offers a nominal discharge current rating of 10 kA, which provides optimal protection for light commercial, sensitive residential, and UL 508A applications. Select voltage configurations. SurgePOD Pro is designed for the most common light commercial and residential voltage configurations, including 120 volts single-phase, 240 volts split-phase, 240 480 volts delta, and 208 480 volts Y. 2-year warranty. Provides a comprehensive 2-year warranty. The Bussmann SurgePOD Heavy Duty and Pro Surge Protective Devices have the following agency listings, codes, and standards. UL listed to UL 1449 3rd edition for the U.S. and Canada. CSA certified. RoHS compliant. Meet UL 96A Surge Protective Devices requirements. Installation requirements for lightning protection systems. Meet NEC 2011 and UL 508A Surge Protective Devices requirements. As mentioned, SurgePOD Heavy Duty and Pro can be installed anywhere in the electrical system, on the load side or line side of the service entrance overcurrent protective device to meet NEC location guidelines. SurgePOD Heavy Duty and Pro are ideal for the following markets: agriculture, commercial, institutional, healthcare, industrial, oil, gas, data centers, residential, water and wastewater, irrigation, renewable energy, transportation, construction, telecom. Typical users include UL 508A panel builders, original equipment manufacturers, contractors, specifiers, integrators. SurgePOD Heavy Duty and Pro can be installed in the following locations: service entrance, line side, load side, feeder circuit, branch circuit, and control panels. SurgePOD Heavy Duty and Pro are part of the Surge Protection Made Simple product family. In addition to these Type 1 UL listed products, Bussmann also offers a complete line of DIN rail surge protective devices, including UL-recognized 3rd edition SPD for UL 508A, photovoltaic, wind, IEC, UL non-SCCR, AC/DC control and power, and data signal applications. For additional information, visit www.cooperbussmann.com/surge. It is the best source for up-to-date product brochures, specifications, and installation instructions. UL and Data Signal Surge Protective Devices Application Guide provides comprehensive information on the complete surge protection solutions for UL markets. Customer service, technical support, and a distributor locator for Bussmann electrical products can be found by following the Contact Us link at the top right of each page. You have come to the end of this module on the Bussmann SurgePOD Heavy Duty and SurgePOD Pro Surge Protective Devices. Take a quick look at some of the key takeaways. SurgePOD Heavy Duty and SurgePOD Pro are Type 1 UL 1449 3rd edition listed surge protective devices that can be installed anywhere in the electrical system. Backwards compatible Type 1 SPD can be installed in any application requiring UL Type 1, 2, or 3 surge protective devices. Voltage-specific models precisely match and protect electrical systems and equipment up to 600 volts AC. SurgePOD Heavy Duty is ideal for commercial and industrial applications. SurgePOD Pro is ideal for light commercial and residential applications.